Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're in Bowie, Maryland today, installing a landscape lighting system for the front of this gorgeous home on this gorgeous spring day. Come along with us. How many path lights you got here? 3? And where are you putting them? Where are they going? One here? Oh, coming in for the door.
Yes.
Okay.
To the left, one on the right side.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You got light in here?
No, nothing. All is in the roof. The peak.
Coming down
Yes, coming
from the
down.
peaks? All 3 peaks? Or 2?
The three.
3 peaks?
The peak and the one, two. You see the guy to the two? One to sign in front of the garage, one the shining in the front. One more this big.
Coming down there?
Yes.
Okay, that'll be nice.
It's 6 in total on the out, the up. Just the up is the simple light in the ground.
Okay. That porch was dirty, wasn't it?
Yeah, very good.
I saw the guy with the power washer when we pulled up. I was getting a lot of dirt off of there.
Yeah, very good.
Dancing must go along. You can hold on to that. So we're going to be installing these down lights from the peaks. They've installed them and now they're going to fine tune them here. And that'll really look sharp at nighttime. Guys, rolling along, huh? You got one that's going to come down here, the one on the driveway,
No, he said they're signed to the wall.
the wall there.
Yes.
Nothing coming down here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Not to the wall.
Oh, okay, I misunderstood Julio. Okay, one there, okay.
Yes.
I thought he meant 2 over there. One on the other peak coming down.
Yeah.
Okay, that'll look good.
Yes. All the light is signed to the wall.
That will make it very nice when you pull up here at night, parking, coming in, and you want to walk up, come into the front door, especially if you're visiting. This will make that really warm feeling walking across here. The path lights to get you into the door, down lights, that'll look sharp. Bring out the natural beauty of the home, bring out the natural beauty, the texture of the brick and the mortar, it'll look sharp. And no, we don't do power washing. This is another contractor out here doing this today, cleaning this up in this beautiful spring day. This wraps up another episode of A Life of a Contractor. Stay tuned next week and we'll show you a little bit of our week. All the craziness, all the good, all the bad, everything comes along in the contracting business. Taking care of customers for over 30 years. It's always a lot of work, it's always challenges. A lot of fun though, a lot of great feeling. People come home and they're happy, green yards, homes are illuminated. Stay tuned next week at Life of a Contractor and we'll see you soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.